name's Nigel Smalls from Infrared Australia. I'm here to show you how to put a grill on to a Heliosa 66 shortwave infrared heater, the best outdoor heater on the market. Our Heliosa 66 is supplied in a box and it has a 5 meter cord inside, which will either come with or without a plug depending on whether it has been requested. On the top you can see that it has a grill. The grill, we believe in Australia, should be a mandatory component, but in some parts of the world they do not put it on, so I'm going to show you how to put that on. First of all, you need to take the heater out of the box. Do that by upending it on the table and just letting it fall. You'll need the polystyrene base. Take it out of the bag, put the bag between the polystyrene and the heater to prevent it from getting covered with all sorts of pieces of polystyrene. Then you get the grill and look at where the upright bars are. They should be on the inside. Turn the heater 90 degrees and there are grooves in the side. Place the ends of one side of the grill into there and push gently on both sides until they're in place. Rotate 180 degrees, and then you need to bend this piece of stainless steel like I'm doing now, and then locate in the other opposite holes. Then you move it until it's evenly spaced between either side. Once you've done that, that's the grill placed, and that'll protect any accidental touching of the bulb, because the bulb is very, very hot. We're talking 2,200 degrees centigrade at the emitter. So that's how you install the grill on a Heliosa 66. For more information, visit infraredaustralia.com.au or infraredheating.com.au. Thank you.